Good morning, how can I help you? Yeah, I wanna buy some Bitcoins. Excuse me? You know, Bitcoins, like cryptos. I'm sorry, we don't sell Bitcoin. Okay, how about ethereal? Ethereum? Yeah! I'm sorry, we don't sell Ethereum either. Doggy coin? No. Okay, well, what cryptos do you have? I don't really care. I just want to be a millionaire, like right now. I'm sorry, we don't really sell cryptocurrency. This is a grocery store. Unfortunately, you can't just go to the grocery store and buy some cryptocurrency. At least not yet. So how do you buy cryptocurrency? In this video, you'll discover the top 3 easiest ways to buy cryptocurrency, or crypto, just because it's easier for me to say. And this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy crypto. This is just a demo of how to do it if you want to. And which way is best for you is gonna depend a lot on where you live in the world, which cryptocurrencies you wanna buy, what level of security you want, and why you wanna buy crypto in the first place. For example, at the time I'm recording this video, crypto is banned in some countries. So I'll share the pros and cons of each method so you can choose what'll work best for you and your situation, and tap the like button for the YouTube algorithm. So the first option we're gonna talk about here is how to buy crypto through a cryptocurrency exchange. If you're not familiar with these, here's how they work. Have you ever traveled internationally and seen those money exchange places at the airport where you can change your cash into the local currency? Well, this is kind of like that, but it's an online version, and it lets you exchange your local currency for crypto and crypto for your local currency. The biggest pros I see in buying crypto through an exchange like this are that you can own and control your crypto directly, like owning an actual gold bar instead of shares in a fund that invests in gold. You also have the convenience of being able to store your crypto right there on the exchange if you want. But since that's not the most secure way to store your crypto, you also have the option to transfer your crypto off the exchange and into what's called a digital wallet, which might be your preference if your reason for buying this crypto is to hold it long-term as a store of value or a long-term investment. If you don't want to deal with having your own digital wallet outside of the exchange, another huge advantage to using a crypto exchange is that some of them will pay you interest on your crypto. I love this. For example, at the time I'm recording this video, BlockFi, which is the main crypto exchange I use, is paying 4.5% on Bitcoin and 5% on Ethereum. So if you want to open an account with BlockFi, check out the link in the description because you can get up to $250 in free Bitcoin when you open and fund your account. And if you like the idea of earning passive income on your crypto, but you're nervous about how the price of things like Bitcoin and Ethereum can like swing up and down so quickly, well, in that case, you might want to consider investing in something called a stable coin, which is a crypto coin that doesn't go up and down in price because it's pegged to a certain currency. For example, GUSD is a stable coin that's pegged to the US dollar. So 1 GUSD will always be worth $1 US. So you can open an account with a cryptocurrency exchange like BlockFi, convert some of your dollars into GUSD, and earn interest on your GUSD while you leave it to hang out in your account on that exchange. Right now, BlockFi is paying 9.5% on GUSD. Awesome. And then the last advantage of crypto exchanges that I want to mention is that these give you the biggest selection of cryptocurrencies of the 3 options we're covering in this video. If you want to buy the most common cryptos like Bitcoin or Ethereum, you have a lot of options. But if you want to buy something a little less common like Algorand, a crypto exchange might be your best bet. Now, let's talk about the downsides to using a crypto exchange. And then I'll buy some crypto in my BlockFi account with real money so you can see exactly how to do it before diving into the other 2 methods for how to buy crypto. Now, first of all, not all crypto exchanges operate in all parts of the world, or even in all 50 states if you're in the United States. And not all crypto exchanges offer the same selection of cryptocurrencies. I mentioned that I mainly use BlockFi right now, link in the description, because they're paying 9.5% on GUSD, but their interest account isn't available in New York right now, or in any countries sanctioned by the US, and their selection of cryptocurrencies is more limited. So I've been using BlockFi to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and GUSD, but if I want to buy Algorand, well, BlockFi doesn't offer that right now. So I'd have to go open an account with another crypto exchange that does allow you to buy Algorand, right? On the other hand, Coinbase is available in over 100 countries, including the US, Canada, the UK, Ireland, South Africa, and they offer a much larger selection of cryptocurrencies. So that one's pretty popular. Check the link in the description to get $10 in free Bitcoin when you open your account and buy or sell $100 in crypto. And then another downside to crypto exchanges is that your account is not FDIC insured. Cryptocurrency exchanges have been hacked in the past, so there's some security risk there if you plan to just leave your money on the exchange instead of transferring it to a digital wallet. Also, there might be restrictions to how often you can withdraw money from your account. For example, with BlockFi, you can withdraw money once a month for free. After that, you pay a fee for each withdrawal. And then finally, a crypto exchange is one more account to keep track of on top of your other checking, savings, and investment accounts. You might prefer to just keep things simple by investing in crypto right inside your regular retirement account or investment account. And I'll show you how to do that in this video. First, let me show you real quick how to buy crypto on a crypto exchange. So I'm gonna go to blockfi.com and click login, enter my email address and password. Now I'm in BlockFi and I'm gonna click on trade in the upper right. I want to buy something, so I'm gonna leave it on buy. And BTC, which is Bitcoin, comes up automatically, but I wanna buy Ethereum. So I'm gonna click this little arrow and select ETH, Ethereum. You can see here are my various options of cryptocurrencies I could buy. And then I'm gonna click confirm. I would like to buy $100 worth of Ethereum, so I'll type that in. And that'll get me 0.023109998 of Ethereum. This is already linked to my bank account. I want to do this one time only, and I'll click the buy button. I'm going to authorize BlockFi to debit my account and click confirm buy. Okay, I've purchased 0.023109999 ETH. Pretty easy, right? Okay, now let's talk about the second way to buy crypto, which is to use a trading app. Some stock trading apps like Robinhood or Webull in the US will also let you trade crypto. TradeStation is another popular option that also works in other countries like Canada, the UK, Ireland, and South Africa. And Interactive Brokers also lets you trade some cryptocurrencies now too. I'll post the links to all of these in the description. But just like with a crypto exchange, not all trading apps are available in all parts of the world, and their options are more limited in terms of which cryptocurrencies you can trade. The biggest advantage to using a trading app is that it's easy. If you're already using one of these apps to trade stocks, you don't need to create another account. But it's super important to know that with these trading apps, you don't have the same level of ownership and control that you do with a crypto exchange. You can trade crypto, but you can't actually transfer your crypto anywhere, like to a crypto exchange or a digital wallet. So do you really own it? It's kind of weird. So let me show you a quick demo of how to buy crypto in a trading app. I do most of my investing through TD Ameritrade, but I opened an account with Webull because I could get 2 free stocks through someone's referral link. And since they have 0 commissions and no deposit minimums, and they'll let me trade crypto, I've kept my account. Plus, I can share my own referral link so my clients and friends can get free stock. I'll include that link in the description in case you want to take advantage of that deal. And if Webull's still doing that promotion when you see this video, then you can get 2 free stocks too. Woohoo! Anyway, here's how to buy crypto on Webull. You open the Webull app on your phone, and that takes you to this overview page. I put $100 in this account and it's already up to almost $1,000. That's pretty cool. A little bit down on the right side, there's a button that says Quick Trade. Click that and then type in the search the ticker symbol of the crypto you want to buy. So in this case, I'm going to buy some Ethereum, so I'll type in ETH. Here we go. ETHUSD is the one I want, so I'll click that, and that takes me to the order page. It already says buy, which is what I want to do. So I will leave it like that. Under order type, I usually do market, which means that once I'm ready to buy something, I'm happy to buy it for whatever the current price is. Under amount, I'll put in $100. And then time in force says IOC. That means immediate or cancel. So I want the order to go through immediately. And if any part of the order can't be filled right away, then just cancel that part. Then I click the green buy button at the bottom, and this pops up and asks me to confirm that I really want to do this. I click confirm, and now it shows me that it's working on my order. The first time I did this, it still said working after like 15 minutes. And I was like, I thought this was immediate. But then I went back to my dashboard, clicked orders at the top of the screen, and saw that my order actually had been filled. And that's how to buy crypto in Webull. If you're buying crypto in a different trading app, the process should be similar. And that brings us to the third way to buy crypto, which is to invest in a fund that buys crypto for you. If you don't want to worry about having a wallet or another account that you have to keep track of, this is an easy way to invest in cryptocurrency indirectly right inside your regular brokerage account. Think about investing in gold. You can buy actual gold coins or bars and have to figure out where to put them. Or you can go online and buy shares of a fund that invests in gold. And now you can buy or sell shares of that fund in a matter of seconds without having to worry about storing or keeping track of actual gold, right? Now you can do the same thing with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies and invest in a fund that turns around and invests in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies for you. The biggest advantage here is the simplicity. The downside is that you don't directly control your crypto. Also, a fund for investing in the specific crypto you want may not exist. For example, I've invested in funds for Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I haven't been able to find a fund dedicated to Solana yet, only a fund that has Solana as part of their mix. Let me show you how to invest in a fund like this inside your regular brokerage account. I use TD Ameritrade, so I'm going to go to tdameritrade.com. I created a public account so I can show you demos like this. I click login and enter my name and password to log in. When I log into TD Ameritrade, I see this screen. Then I'm going to click on the Trade tab and then click on Stocks and ETFs. I want to buy a fund that tracks Ethereum. So under symbol, I'm going to type in ETHE and click symbol lookup. Okay, now I can see the chart here for the fund that I want to buy. Under action, it already says buy, which is what I want to do. So I'll leave it like that. Under quantity, I'm just going to buy one share just to show you how this works. Under order type, I normally do market orders, but for these crypto funds, apparently you can only do a limit or a stop limit order. So I'm going to select limit. So I'll say I'll buy it as long as it's under $45. And I'll leave the time in force as day. And then I'm going to click review order. And you can see, because this is a crypto fund, there's a $6.95 commission. Normally, there's no trading fees on TD Ameritrade, but crypto funds like this are an exception. And I wouldn't typically buy just one share with a fee like that, but I'm going to take one for the team here so you can see how to do this. And by the way, if you appreciate that I'm investing $250 of my own actual money to make this video for you, please show the love by tapping the like button if you haven't already done that. All right, now I'll click place order and you can see that it was filled. So we bought it for $44.02. And if I go to my account, positions, you can see that I now own one share of ETHE. Now I'm buying this to show you how to do it, but don't buy this particular fund just because I used it in the demo, okay? This is just a demo of the logistics of how to buy something in your investment account. So many people get stopped by the techie part. I thought it would be helpful to show you step by step how you can do this. And that's the top 3 ways to buy cryptocurrency. Let me know in the comments which ones you like best. If you have any questions or any topics you want me to cover in a future video. Thanks for watching and happy investing.